Good morning, folks. It's Judge Executive Al Mattingly holding an annual or our weekly COVID update. Don't have a lot to tell you today. I don't have my final figures from the Green River Health Department. I can tell you though what we had today. We reported 113 cases in Daviess County, and the really tough thing is that we have 6 Daviess Countyans who passed away as a result of COVID. That means that in Daviess County, we have had over 5,000 cases, and these are cases that tested positive. And I've had over 80 deaths in the county, or we've had over 80 deaths. Those are 80 people who won't be here to celebrate Christmas Eve or Christmas Day with their family or to welcome the new year in. So if you don't mind, let's just take a second to remember the families of those folks who are going to be missing their loved ones. Thank you. As I said, I don't have a lot to report today. Daviess County is still in the red. I suspect we're going to be in the red for quite some time, while Mondays are the days that we report very few. I think last Monday we had 20 some odd. This past Monday we had 30 some odd. What happens is things get all balled up in the reporting and testing. We typically catch up on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And as you saw yesterday, we had well over 100 cases. Today we had well over 100 cases in Daviess County. We're somewhere in that rolling 7-day average of, I think, 74 or 76. I check it every morning when I come in. That's not good, but you want to compare that to some of our counties in southeastern Kentucky who have well over 200 cases per 100,000 population as their rolling average. So COVID is still with us. It's out there. Absent having enough vaccine to go around, we all should be doing what we have been told to do from day one, which is to wear a mask, to sanitize our hands, to socially distance and avoid large crowds. It's going to be awfully tough to do here in a couple of days. I come from a family, there were 12 kids in our family. So 12 kids, mom and dad, that's 14 people in one house. And certainly the governor's recommendation, CDC's recommendation, doesn't say that those 14 people don't get together for a Christmas dinner. But after the kids moved out, after the kids married, started having kids of their own, we would have 40, 50, 60 people at a time come through my mom's home. And Judy and I would hold Christmas dinner for 25 or 30 people. We're not going to do that this year. Christmas dinner is going to be Judy and myself and my son. So compared to the 25 to 30 that we would usually have, seems like the house is going to be very empty. And that's why I invite all of you to pull out your old picture books, pull out the old films, review what went on in days past. And I think Christmas, while it is a specific date, Christmas is in everyone's minds, brings back memories of childhood. It brings back memories of family, both those who are with us and those who are gone. And above all, it reminds us of the story about the birth of our Savior. So I want to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I said the blessing yesterday at a small get together here in my office, and I talked about what a tough year it has been. It's been a tough year physically. It's been a tough year emotionally. It's been a tough year financially. And if you have any opportunity at all, I would ask that you help some of those who are less well off than you. I can tell you that we have declared white flag days on Christmas Eve and Christmas night. The temperatures and wind chill will be 15 degrees or below. So we have openings in the homeless shelters. Right now in Owensboro and Daviess County, there's absolutely no reason for anyone to be homeless. There's no reason for anyone to be hungry. And there is no reason for anyone who needs help not to be able to find someone that's willing to help them. If you would dial 211, that's the United Way's emergency number, and they have all the resources available to let you know where you can go and get help. I know the city and county has reloaded the United Way COVID Relief Fund, and we're hoping that people out in the community will also contribute as they did back in the early summer. City and county put $300,000 in back then, and they were able to raise another $400,000 in private donations. I see no reason why we can't do it this year. Be safe, be aware of what's going on, and let's all hope that the COVID vaccine becomes available sooner than later. So again, on behalf of all of Owensboro and Daviess County citizens, on behalf of Daviess County Fiscal Court, I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. Thanks.